Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. Alright, so we are leaving the St. Andrew Park community. It's literally a minute from halfway tree, a minute from the transport center. Did a video on this community before. So where are we heading now? So we are heading down to Molynes Industrial Park. That's a road that runs right beside Premix. A lot of time persons pass it but never enter it, including myself. So never recorded it before, so I'm gonna record it with you guys. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Currently on Molynes Road, heading to the direction of Boulevard. Alright, heading from halfway tree direction. So stay tuned, grab a seat, put on your seat belt, and let's take a look around Molynes Industrial Park. I think Tarrant High School is also around that side as well. So let's find out. Alright, so Tarrant Drive is on the left. And then it's the left turn after Tarrant Drive, which is this one coming up, which is home to Jamaica Premix Concrete Limited. They're on 31 Molynes Road. We're heading into the industrial park. So all this is Molynes Industrial Park. So Molynes Road on the main, you have a lot of commercial properties, and this road in particular has a lot of commercial property, but for other roads that branch off, they're mainly residential. But I guess because this one is so close to halfway tree, so it's about what, 2 minutes drive from halfway tree, 1.5 minutes drive from halfway tree. That's why probably this road has so many commercial properties. So we see Premix, M&M Jamaica. Premix does take up a lot of space. Ebenezer Worship Center on the left. I think a storage facilities is on this road as well. We have auto repairs. Then I have some squatter community on the right. So you have a few residential lots. And then this building that we're coming down to is a storage facility. And then we have Tarrant High School a little bit down more. I guess Sagicor was the financier for this project. This is a commercial park. When I'm coming back up, I'll turn the vehicle in it so you guys can see. And we'll go right at Tarrant High School and then just turn back. So the road mainly ends at Tarrant. After that, it's smaller roads that lead into what we would call capture land. So this is Tarrant High School. Anyone watching that has ever, well, not ever, but that attended Tarrant High School, established in 1961, let me know in the comment section if Tarrant is your past high school, and if you have anybody attending Tarrant right now, let us know in the comment section. most time the high schools are on the main, but this one is a little bit tucked away in this community. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're gonna turn into the industrial park so you guys can get a glimpse. It's relatively new, probably 3-4 years. Good size as well. I think quite a few companies, including Phase 3, use it for their storage of different equipment. So that's a quick glimpse right here. So it's very high as well, so whatever you're storing, you have decent space, decent height, and then you have areas where trucks can back in as well. I even see a mobile home down there, right there. That's a mobile home someone is using here as a storage facility for that mobile home. So different reasons, different purposes, different companies may need additional space. So this is the storage facility. The gate is open, but alright, let's see. I'll just go inside and turn. Since the gate is open, they didn't want me inside. They should have shut the gate, but not going far. Just gonna turn for you guys. So you have port side towing, as is Scoops, Phase 3, so a few companies. So this is the storage facility right here on Molynes Industrial Park. In front is the Tarrant High School field. And then we'll head back out onto Molynes Road. Alright guys, as usual, leave your comments. Comment. Let me know your comments. Let me know if you used to reside in these areas of Tarrant. Probably still living around this side, or have you probably have a friend or a family around this side as well. Let us know in the comment section. As usual, I really appreciate all the support. So thanks to each and every one of you guys. 13,000 strong. And I know we're gonna touch that 20,000 mark real soon. So to the right is another warehouse. So they're advertising for rent. So they have warehouse space over here as well for storage for different companies. And then as we say, premix is over this side. Alright guys, so just a quick video. I guess we can say community drive or industrial drive, because that's the name of the street. Molynes Industrial Park. So thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for liking. And I'll see you on another community drive.